Hey dude, this is Hulk Hogan. I bought this game the other day, brother, and it fucking sucks like Finn Balor, dude. I'm telling you, I put it in my system, brother, and the game just didn't work right, dude. It didn't work for me, brother. It didn't work for Hollywood Hulk Hogan, dude. I put this game in, brother, and it made me throw my controller out the window. I want a refund now, brother.
Man, shut up.
Hey dude, you better give me my money back, brother, or else Hulk Hogan's gonna run wild on you. What are you gonna do when Hulk Hogan runs wild on you, brother, if you don't refund his money? What are you gonna fucking do, brother?
I'm gonna whoop your ass.
What's going on? Who are you? Where am I?
The almighty Bongholio! Bongholio! The almighty Bongholio! Bongholio!
What are you doing?
You cannot escape the almighty bunghole!
Hey, cut it out, would you?
Are you threatening me?
What is going on here?
I am Cornholio. I need tippy for my bunghole.
God damn it.
Give me your tippy.
The hell with you.
Asswipe.
Oh, you're going down.
Oh, you can...